Another gap up day, and I just wanted to point out something. The average true range, as I had mentioned yesterday, is up towards 19 for the daily range. Yet, in the last 2 days, we closed Friday at about 45, 44, 45 on Friday. So we are up 42 points from there at the high today. However, I just wanted to point out something that's interesting. We've got the Trump tax plan coming tomorrow, and I think that's really the big reason why the market's been running. But is it priced in already, the 15%? If he proposes that and can get it through is a whole different thing. But the interesting thing that I think you'll note here is the average true range is around 19.5. Yet the total the total true range in so far the 2 days of trading isn't even 1 times the average. So between 6:30 and 1 yesterday, our high-low spread was 8.25 points, and today it's been 9.25 so far, about an hour and 40 minutes in. So again, of this 42 points, only 17.5 of it have traded in open hours of the market. So again, about, let's call it 20. If we're looking at 43 points, you're looking at 26 of the points have come in a gap and after hours trading gap. So most of the trading, again, feels to me like it's just opening and squeezing a little bit, and that's been about it. Matter of fact, yesterday, you could even argue that, we went up all day. We opened here, went down a little, and then just went up, kind of a trend day, and then sold off kind of to where we opened. Yesterday we opened right around this spot here at 23.71. Today, today we are, we opened here at 23.78, pushed down a little bit, and then immediately went up for the first half hour, and that was the high of the day there at 23.8650, 87. That was the high. So since then, we sold off. We sold off about 5 points there, and now we're 4 or 5 points, and now we're taking a little bounce. We'll see if that can continue. So again, very light volume again today. French elections, obviously, everybody was talking about that. I don't really think that was. I said yesterday, I thought it was the Trump tax plan that was coming tomorrow that will be supposedly released, and they're talking a 15% corporate tax. So again, most of this feels, 17 out of 43 points. You're not even looking at half the range. It's more like 40%. And again, to me, it just, will the news be bought tomorrow after the rumor? So the rumor has been bought and gapped, but most of the participation to me just feels like short squeeze again, because most of the real buying is not happening intraday. And you can see this just by this simple view of the range of the days. So we're half of the normal average range over the last 20 days, the last couple days. So you just combine the last 2 days of total range, and we haven't even hit the average of 1 day. So keep this in your call. We'll see how this all plays out tomorrow once the report comes out. Will they sell the news, or will it be better than expected? And will we finally see that move over 2,400 in the S&P?